Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Hookah flavor. First, gather your fresh ingredients like molasses, glycerin, and your chosen flavorings. Next, we'll prepare these components carefully to ensure a smooth blend. Then, we'll combine everything, allowing the flavors to meld perfectly. Finally, I'll share tips for storing your homemade flavor so it stays fresh and ready for your next session. To begin, select a good quality molasses, often unsulfured blackstrap, which forms the base. You'll also need food-grade vegetable glycerin. This is crucial for moisture and thick smoke. For flavor, choose natural elements such as fresh fruit pulp, aromatic spices, or concentrated extracts. Make sure all your mixing bowls and tools are thoroughly clean before you start to maintain purity. Now, combine your molasses and glycerin in a large, non-reactive bowl. Gradually introduce your selected flavorings, mixing everything thoroughly until it reaches an even consistency. It's important to avoid any dry spots, ensuring all ingredients are well incorporated. Once mixed, cover the bowl and let the mixture infuse for at least 24 hours, allowing the flavors to deepen. For storage, transfer your finished Desi Hookah flavor into an airtight container. Keep it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its freshness and potency for longer. When preparing your hookah, use a small amount in your bowl. A little goes a long way. Now, you're ready to enjoy your custom-made, authentic Desi Hookah flavor responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.